Oh hi, I am present in front of you by taking a interesting topic of difference between the static and local variable. So first we will discuss about what is the static and local variable in Java. In Java, static variable is a variable that associated with the class rather than any particular instance of class. This means that there is only one copy of static variable. Got it? There is a copy of one static variable for the entire class regardless of how many objects of the class are created. On the other hand, if we talk about the local variable is that declare the inside the method, inside that it declare inside the method are only method constructor or block or code. Local variable are only assemble with the scope of in which it is declared. Okay, so now we will discuss what are the basic differences in local variable and static variable. So first of all, local variable are declared inside the function. Just I have upper said that the local variable are declared inside the function. If we declare any type of function, void function, then local variable will be declared inside the function rather than in other hand static variable can be declared inside or outside of the function. Okay, this is clear. Static static can be declared inside or outside of the function. Okay, so this one was the first difference between static and local. Okay, default value of its is a garbage value is nothing but it is the different type of values which when a program is compiling, then different type of values are coming, and these type of values are known as the garbage value. So in local variable there is not any type of defined values are declared. Okay, but in static variable is a have the zero static value. Okay, the default value of static variable is 0. Next, it is used to declare keywords. It is used to declare keywords. Auto optional. Okay, it is used to declare keywords, but static variable must declare within the keywords. But in the static variable are declared with the help of keywords. Keyword static. Got it? Next difference between the local variable and static variable are the lifetime. Lifetime is nothing but local variable have the limited lifetime. Local variable have a limited lifetime as they are only created when the method or blocks of code are declared. They are only created when method or blocks of code are declared in executed. Okay, and local variable are destroyed when the method or block of code completed. When any type of code are completed, then local variable may be destroyed. Okay, but in static variable on the other hand exists the entire lifetime of program. But in static variable, the variables are always constant till the program was end. Okay, so lifetime of local variable are still the blocks is active. When block are active, then the lifetime of local variable will exist. But in static variable, it lifetime are still the determination or termination of program. Until the program was not ended, then the static variable can't be ended. Okay, static variable are still remained in the program until the program was ended. So these are the basic type of the difference between the static and local variables. Okay, uh, if we take any type of example, then in local variable a void function is taken and integer value is 20. Okay, uh, this is the local variable, because this is the declared inside of the functions, inside of the function. This is also inside of the function, this is declared inside of the function, then it will be local variable. If we print percent %d a, uh, if incremental of a is getting, then there will be print only on 21. And if we again void main function is taken, then the function will be will return in the class, then there will be print only 10. Oh, 40 20 20. Okay, and again the function will be destroyed in local variable, the function will be destroyed, and again initialize the value of 20, then again print 20. Same type of next function will be, when next function will be run, then next value will be 20. So there will be separate value of the in local variable. Okay, and static variable, when we take void function, and static integer a equal to 10, and we will print the printf percent d equal to a, then there will be the increment, of any type of, because we have declared that a is a incremental. So there will be print firstly 11. Okay, and when void main function will be run, so there will print uh, 1 10. Okay, and when the next function, it will run again, because in static variables till terminates until the program was end. So it will be again initialize the value of a and increment, then there will be print 11, there will print 11, sorry, here will be the 11 and here will be the 12, and when next function will be run, there will be the 13. Okay, this is the main point example of the local and static variable basic difference. If we like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.